Hey everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to Know How Pro. So today I'm going to show you how to add your voiceover to your video. A lot of people don't know how to do it, but you can easily do this with your InShot app. You can download InShot from Google Play. This is the InShot. Here. So guys, if you have ideas on video you want me to do for you, kindly drop it in the comment section. And if you're new to the channel and you're watching, click the notification bell and click on all and click the subscribe button so you'll be enabled when we post new video. And let's go to what we have for today. You click on InShot. Click on InShot. Now let's discard this first, so now I'll show you what I'm showing you. Then you click on video. You click on new. Now you choose any video you want to add a voiceover on. You click here. You just select the video. You click OK. Now as you can see, this video already has the sound. Let me play the sound so you can see. Now as you can see, now you come to volume here. You remove the sound entirely. You click when you drag the sound to here. You click the good button here. You click here so you can take it for it to be enabled. When you click there, as you can see, the video doesn't have a sound. You see, now you can now add the voiceover. You come to music. You come here on music. You click on music. You see, when you click on music, you come to record. You see record here. You click record. Now we are going to record the voiceover we want. See, now we are going to play it, but first of all, we have to save it. You have to save it by clicking here. You get? Now we save it. Now let's play what we've done. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Backflip, land. Amazing. Now as you can see, that's the voiceover. Very simple and easy to use. You can do this with anything. You can even record a video and remove the sound and add your own voiceover. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any ideas on videos you want me to do for you, kindly drop it in the comment section. Thank you for watching.